Hello everyone, good evening. I am Ifatul Islam presenting word dissection. In this presentation, I am talking about 10 selected words which has been shown on screen right now. The words are Agile, Appease, Salvage, Sawdust, Cryptic, Sanction, Livid, Judicious, Affable, Antidote. First of all, Agile. Agile means active or quick moving. Its parts of speech is adjective. For example, it is a clever, agile, and powerful dog. Extremely pugnacious it in deposition. The phonetic symbol is this is the phonetic symbol of agile. Then appease. Appease means make quit or come. It's a verb. For example, the state set out to appease women rather than to provoke them. The appease phonetic symbol is shown. Next, salvage. Salvage means the saving of people from loss, and it's a verb. For example, it was a desperate attempt to salvage the situation. Salvage phonetic symbol is here. Sawdust. Sawdust means teeny bit of woods, and it's a noun. The sentence of sawdust is wet sawdust slightly heavier than water was used to visualize the flower flows below bakers. The sawdust phonetic symbol is here. The next is cryptic. Cryptic means secret with a hidden meaning, and its parts of speech is adjective. Cryptic sentence sorry the sentence of cryptic is some of the cryptic lifestyles of some fish parasites may have evolved in part as a response to cleaning, and this is the phonetic symbol of cryptic. Cryptic. Sanction. Sanction means approval plenty, and it's a noun. For example, to be just, a government must have the sanction of the governed. The phonetic symbol of sanctions is here. Livid. Livid means furiously angry. For example, he was livid when he found out. And, and livid is the adjective. Phonetic symbol is here. Judicious. Judicious means sound of judgment, and it's an adjective. We should make judicious as use of the resource available to us. The phonetic symbol here is judicious. Judicious. Affable. Affable means polite and friendly. Adjective, and its adjective sentence. He struck me as an affable sort of man. The phonetic symbol of Affable right there. Antidote. Antidote means medicine used against a poison or a disease. The sentence of antidote: regular exercise is the best antidote to tiredness and depressions. The phonetic symbol is here. That's all of this presentation. Thank you so much.